Right, hello YouTube. This is going to be a very quick video just to show you how to put your iPhone into DFU mode, which stands for Device Firmware Update Mode. So I have three different iPhones here just to show you the slightly different processes to get each one into DFU mode. So I've got a 6S, a 7 and an X or 10, whatever you like to call it. And so the process for the 10 will also be the same for the 8 and anything newer than that basically. The 7 has its own little process, and the 6S deals with the 6S and anything older. So your 6, your 5, 5S, 5C, all of those will follow this same basic process on this one. So we'll start there and just show you that the phone is turned on. I've got the computer on, as you can see it's open with iTunes on there, so all I'm going to do is connect the phone to the computer. I'll just clear this off from iTunes because I want to be able to show you how iTunes recognises it once it reaches DFU mode. So all we're going to do is press and hold the power and home button, and I'll talk you through the process as I go through it. So pressing them both down now. So I'm holding them in until I see the phone turn off from there, and then I'll count 4 or 5 seconds, and then I'll release the power button but keep my thumb down on the home key, and I'll just wait and wait, and you hear the computer recognise the phone. The phone still appears to be off because the screen is black, but as you can see iTunes has said we've found a phone that's in recovery mode. And that's how you know you're in DFU mode. So that's that one done. The 7 is again quite an easy process, very similar to that one. However, instead of the home button we're going to use the volume down button, because they have a different style home button on the 7 which doesn't actually physically press. So plug it into iTunes, I'll cancel that down, and then I'm just going to press volume down and power and hold them down together. Again, I'll wait until the phone turns off. I'll count 4 or 5 seconds and then release the power button but keep my thumb down on the volume down button. Same thing again, phone appears to be off, and iTunes has recognised that there is a phone in what it says is recovery mode. So that's good. Now this is the troublesome one, iPhone 8 and newer. So plug this one in, and you have to do a little bit of a dance on all these buttons, and you have to be quite precise with your timings. So it goes a quick press on volume up, followed by a quick press on volume down, followed by press and hold on the power key. At that point you wait until you see the screen go black, quickly release the power key, and just as quickly straight back on volume down and power. At that point you need to be quite precise, counting 5 seconds, and then release the power key and keep holding the volume down. So it is a bit more involved. I probably won't get this right first time as I'm recording this video, but neither will you when you're trying to get your iPhone into DFU, most likely because Apple made it lovely and kept the process simple for you. So here we go, up, down, power. Yeah, I think I can't even get that bit right, so we'll start that again. Hold the phone in a bit of an easier position. So up, down, power. Release on 2, 3, 4, 5. Release power. Keeping your thumb on the volume down. Wasn't precise enough with my counting, so we'll try again. Up, down, power. Release on 2, 3, 4, 5, release the power, still on volume down. I don't think you have to let it boot back up again if you get it wrong, but I'm just going to do that on this one. Right, so I'll try again. Right, up, down, power. Wait till it goes off. Release, on, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. And there we have it. So it's definitely a little more involved on the 8 and the newer phones, but just try it a few times until you get it right. It's not too difficult. It's just more of a pain to do than the previous versions. And again, there you go. iTunes recognises it as in recovery, and the screen will be as if the phone is turned off. And that is DFU mode. So thank you very much.